Chief Electoral Officer ke Jela Meghalaya ubak Frederick Roy Kharkongor ulaong. Bakam syam ladon ke nu ke jing that dur ya ki beriu ki bala syakem na kedau ke jingra pisa palat Sanpau Hajar tingka kat badang trikam ke Model Code of Conduct. Ha ke jing pen kreat ya ke election MLA arjar pulai ke banlong ke arpenyo trik urempang arjar pulai. Ubak Kharkongor ulaong baki dur ki daybet jong ki nongkem bat ula banjor biang baki nu ki barak pisa palat Sanpau Hajar tingka klem ke jing pen sisa kin syakem bet kat kum ki kendon ke Election Commission of India.
Kani Model Code of Conduct kadika MCC ke ba kila penjari nak Election Commission. Kamde ka rule ke bangi frame bangi individually at the state level. Kani ka rule ka trai salunsar all over India hagi state ke balong election. Kamde ba kani ka rule kadika bangi balashna karpang tang nam tang Meghalaya. Oh, te karpung ka Model Code of Conduct kinu ki ba ra pisa palat Sanpau Hajar without proof, without account, without proper documents, mungkin hap seize ya kata bisa. Te ladon kinu ki seizures ki ba, ladon kinu ki mungkin seizures ki ba mendon kita ki documents. Te kadon ka committee makhluk do DC, but kinsa bicara mahalor kata bentang. Kabar pada kedai bag palat cipulang from one person taking up the income tax rule. Yagi dur ki PE ki mostly ki officials, ki enforcement officials ki seize ya kapisa. Kamni ka dur jong ki tu ki syakem. Ki mainly ki member jong flying squad, ki police lene ki magistrate, lene ki official ki bade jong FST. Kedai ka dur jong ki bagi seize. Ya kita gibreo kiba from whom they have seized ya kita gidur ki menju publicize kiri tangin ki magistrate la tho shai runto bagi ki magistrate ki police ki member of the FST te kalong ka baklar bin kli yang banong ba ki pau gidur jong kita gibreo bisa seize gibreo kiba from whom the money seized kamju pau tang jong ki kamju pau gidur jong ki pau gidur jong ki magistrate bagi officials kiba seize any money kabalong 50,000 unaccounted whether it is for the politics purpose ne kata that kalong subject until he produces documents come today ya barong ba kina proof sure about the member jong kata party ne of a different party there is no such rule kata dari ba uto brio ulaban produce ya document kaba ulaba un penshai ba hakene nga don't come for personal use te kata then uto applicant ulaban polite no ya ga dong then that committee kan sarai bahkan pelaj
kidon ki pisa pat ki bakim la ban claim ni ban pinsisha makade baki penuh kam na kunin trai dengan trai akisnam beladap how arja katra karno ka pisa ka ba pio ban kerupat ki ban claim
kita ki record finam yo ni various district authorities because ketua committee kani ba khle na liang ju DC of that I mean by the district election machinery. The district wise ilaban wat jingtip from each and every district about such details
mokim aishka election
because to get district machinery that is a district machinery it is at their level it is their mandate tangi bash polak shalor dan pia biyo jingtip income tax